we take Emma with us? Here we go. Ooh, BB cat.
Hi, explorers.
Welcome to our grandparents' house.
We are still at my parents' house, that's right. But we're also at our much cozier RV now because we put in a fireplace.
Twisted my arm.
We did it. High five, Jonah.
Prepare your space. So I've got the bottom cabinet doors and cabinet out, so I have space now for the fireplace. But as you can see, my dilemma is this is where the storage is for the cable. So I'm gonna have to make sure that one, there's enough room for the fireplace without touching the cable, and two, it's safe, because that wouldn't be very safe, would it? Electrical. This is where the CD radio and where the speakers are all connected to, and I undid it, and it's a nightmare. I had the electrician friend round who has helped us extend our stereo cords so that we can pop it on the side here.
Build the foundation.
We're gonna extend this end to match this end. So I think it's like 7 inches right there. We took off this piece here, we're gonna put a 7-inch piece in here. So this is where our cabinet doors used to be that we've taken out. And this hole that's there now is too big for the fireplace, because you have an overall dimension and you have your cut-in dimension, which is the size that is going to go back here, and then the overall is the side that is going to overlap here, so it looks nice and flush. I did already put this piece in here to raise it up because we have our electrical cable coming in underneath to store under here. So one, I raised it up a little bit off the floor so it wasn't too close, and then once we have our dimensions here, we're going to put a piece of, I think it's like 1/8 inch ply over the top of it all with the hole cut out that we're going to paint so it looks a bit more tidy. I bought a hinge that I'm going to use to be able to open the mantle top, but I need to trim down these pieces here so the back piece will lie flat against it and flush. Nice! That's awesome!
Install fireplace.
Alright, starting to look like a fireplace. grabbed these pieces of trim last night and painted them. I'm gonna get these put on the base of our fireplace just to give it a bit more of a polished look.
Hang on a second, wait for this tractor to go past because it's not, you're gonna hear it on the. He's standing up and driving.
Just another day in Eagle.
Does that look, you guys? But look at the fireplace. This is amazing. I'm not even joking. This is amazing. This is better than I thought it would turn out. Okay, how worth it is this?
I think it looks pretty cool. I do, and it makes it much more homey. And I think what we're going for was, if we're living in this for a long time, full time, it got to be homey. So I definitely think this was a nice addition.
Yeah,
here's the top tip.
This is the one turns it on. It goes.
How does it work?
It can go boing.
How cool is that?
Nice. And here's a tip too. Whenever you have a mirror adjacent from a large light source, like a window, it makes it appear much larger.
That's it. We're done. No more cosmetic stuff in the RV.
That we know of.
Fingers crossed. That's it.
Maybe finishing
Seriously, it's beautiful now, isn't it? Can we go now?
Day and night. But there's a lot of other little things that we have to take into consideration, like our plumbing, our internet, solar, all these other little things that we definitely want to take care of before we hit the road. But you know what? I really think that it feels like a home. I'm really happy with it. And we've come such a far way.
No, we really have. It looks beautiful, and we've put a lot of time into it, a lot of energy into it, and it's been frustrating as well as it has. You know, there's been those moments where it is frustrating, but now we've got it all done, and now I just want to go. I really do. But we're gonna, once we go, we're going like for like a long time, and so we have to figure out, like you said, all these logistics that we're gonna need. Like we need Wi-Fi for the kids for school and for our work. You know, we need obviously to make sure that we have solar if we're going to be, you know, on the road.
Boondocking, dry camping.
Yeah, see, that's
important stuff. But if you have tips on any of that for us, please let us know down in the comments.
Still need a truck, so if you can find us a truck,
that too.
Let us know.
If you're a truck scouter, please let us know. Thank you so much for coming with us on our journey. It means the absolute world to us, and we will see you next week.
Cheers.
95, and here we are, 95 degrees in this RV right now. Here we are, putting in a fireplace. Makes sense, doesn't it?